In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Grammarly cookie in just 5 minutes. This might sound a little technical at first, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step so you can easily follow along. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open up your browser and navigate to Grammarly.com. Once you're there, log into your account as you normally would. This ensures that your session is active and ready for us to explore later. If you haven't created an account yet, just pause the video here while you do so, then come back and join us for the rest of the steps. Now that you're logged in, we need to open the developer tools. You can do this by pressing the F12 key on your keyboard. Alternatively, if you prefer using your mouse, you can right-click anywhere on the page, select Inspect, and the Developer Tools panel will pop up. This tool is commonly used by web developers to debug issues, but today it will serve our purpose of accessing cookies. Once the Developer Tools is open, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Go ahead and click on the Application tab. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to expand the panel to view more options. This tab is where we'll find everything related to the storage and resources used by the website. Next, take a look at the left panel within the Application tab. Here, you'll see various items like local storage, session storage, and most importantly for us, cookies. Click on the arrow next to cookies to expand it, and you'll find a list of websites beneath it. Here's where we focus on Grammarly's cookies. From the expanded list, click on the site labeled https://www.grammarly.com. Make sure you're selecting the right website, as clicking another domain would show cookies for different sites which are not relevant to our task. Once you have https://www.grammarly.com selected, you'll see a list pop up in the main panel. This list consists of various cookies that your current session uses with Grammarly. Each cookie has a name, value, and other properties like domain and expiration date. Browsing through these might look a bit overwhelming, but it's quite standard for websites to store such information for maintaining sessions, preferences, and improving user experience. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process to view your Grammarly cookies. Whether you're using this information for development purposes or personal interest, knowing how to access these cookies can be pretty insightful. Just be mindful of the information you handle. Cookies often contain sensitive data that you should keep secure. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tutorial made the process simple and straightforward for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides.